Think you've seen all the best pet gear on Amazon? Think again. From self-cleaning litter boxes to whisper-quiet nail trimmers, these 20 hidden gems are the kind of game-changing gadgets every pet parent dreams of, but rarely finds. Whether you're a dog devotee, a cat connoisseur, or a proud pet tech nerd, this list is packed with clever tools that make life cleaner, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Ready to discover the positively brilliant products hiding in plain sight? Let's unleash the list. All these gadget links are in the description below. Number 20. Electric Dog Cleaning Foam Machine. The Electric Dog Cleaning Foam Machine is a rechargeable, automatic soap dispenser designed to make pet baths easier and more efficient. It mixes shampoo and water to create rich foam with the push of a button, ensuring even application and reduced waste. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's safe to use during wet bath sessions without damage. The 400 ml transparent bottle allows users to monitor shampoo levels and follow proper dilution. A built-in 1200 mAh battery provides about 2.5 hours of use per full charge and recharges via USB. Compact and lightweight, it's suitable for dogs, cats, puppies, and even kids. This cordless device is ideal for indoor and outdoor use, offering flexibility and convenience. Overall, it's a budget-friendly, practical grooming tool for pet owners looking for a hassle-free bath experience. Number 19. Voice Recording Button. The Finest Plus voice recording button is a customizable pet communication tool that allows you to record up to 30 seconds of any message like walk, treat, or play, and replay it at the press of a button. The buttons feature a clear, loud speaker and easy touch recording. Made of durable ABS plastic, these are built to withstand enthusiastic paw presses and rough. They're battery-powered, providing portable, cordless operation. Many pet owners find them ideal for training and interactive bonding with dogs and cats. Its vibrant colors and compact design make it easy to differentiate commands and place around the house. Overall, the Finest Plus buttons offer an engaging, versatile, and user-friendly way to deepen communication with your pet. Number 18. Interactive Ball Launcher. The iFetch Interactive Ball Launcher is an automatic fetch toy designed for small to medium-sized dogs. It launches mini tennis balls at adjustable distances of 10, 20, or 30 feet. This hands-free toy keeps dogs entertained and active, especially when owners are busy. It comes with 3 1.5-inch balls, an AC adapter, and can also run on 6 C-cell batteries for outdoor use. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Dogs can be trained to drop the ball in themselves, promoting independent play. However, the included balls are not very durable and may need frequent replacement. Some dogs may be startled by the sound of the launcher. Regular cleaning is necessary to prevent jamming from slobbery balls. Overall, it's a fun and engaging toy for fetch-loving pups. Number 17. GPS Dog Tracker. The PetLink GPS Dog Tracker is a durable, waterproof device that clips onto your dog's collar and enables real-time GPS tracking, even in remote or challenging environments. It includes a built-in activity monitor, letting you track your pup's movement, rest, and overall fitness. You can define virtual safe zones, receiving instant alerts if your dog wanders outside designated areas. The device also features an integrated safety light and sound for quick locating in low-light conditions. Powered by GPS plus GSM satellite tech, it transmits location data via cellular coverage, no need for extra SIM cards. According to the manufacturer, battery life lasts up to 7 days, depending on usage. Subscription plans are required, with 4 flexible options to suit different user needs. Setup is simple: attach the unit, activate a subscription, and pair via the PetLink app. Number 16. PawPail Pet Waste Station. The PawPail Pet Waste Station is a stylish, weather-resistant outdoor container designed to streamline dog waste cleanup. Its patent-pending dual-vent technology and activated carbon air filter work together to minimize odors by allowing airflow and trapping noxious compounds. You can store up to 200 paw bags in the lid dispenser. Eco-friendly, oxo-biodegradable bags that help cut down plastic waste. Inside, a reusable mesh basket holds used bags without needing liners, reducing landfill waste. Made of UV and weather-resistant materials, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions year-round. Number 15. ehomful HD 1080p Pet Collar Camera. Full HD 1080 progressive video at 30 frames per second with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, multi-layer optical glass, great for capturing broad pet POV scenes. Ultra lightweight, ensuring it won't slow down your pet. Packs a 315-degree adjustable backclip and includes silicone rain cover, collar mounts for cats and dogs, card reader, cable, and more. Runs 2 to 3 hours per charge, recording up to 5-minute clips that loop and overwrite once storage fills. No Wi-Fi or live stream, it's a simple point-and-shoot with playback via built-in 0.96-inch LCD screen or transfer with SD reader. Number 14. PetlibroAutomaticWaterFountain. The PetlibroAutomaticWaterFountain cat water fountain is a cordless, battery-operated hydration solution designed for cats and small pets. With a generous 2.5-liter capacity, it ensures a continuous supply of fresh water, reducing the need for frequent refills. The DogStream design features a sleek stainless steel tray that's both hygienic and easy to clean. Made from BPA-free materials, it prioritizes your pet's safety and health. The wireless design allows for flexible placement anywhere without messy cords. This fountain promotes hydration through a flowing stream that encourages pets to drink more. With a simple assembly and low-maintenance parts, it's perfect for busy pet owners. Keep your feline friend healthy and hydrated with this stylish and practical water fountain. Number 13. AIRROBO Car Seat Cover for Pets. This URPOWER seat cover might not be flashy tech, but it's a total lifesaver for dog parents who hate post-ride mess. It's 100% waterproof and scratch-proof because of heavy-duty fabric. No more fur, mud, or drool ruining your seats. It fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The hammock design straps to both front and rear headrests, keeps your dog off the floor, and adds side flaps that zip for extra door protection. Its anti-slip backing and seat anchors, along with seatbelt openings, give you 4 levels of safety: no slipping when you hit the brakes. Installation is ridiculously easy, a few straps and boom, done. Cleanup is very easy, just wipe it down or vacuum it off. Number 12. K&HPetBedWarmer. Placed inside your pet's bed, this low-wattage pet bed warmer automatically adjusts to the optimal temperatures for pets. This heating pad is designed for indoor use only, perfect for chilly nights. It features smart temperature control that automatically adjusts for your pet's comfort, and it comes in multiple sizes: small, medium, large, even extra large, so there's a fit for every furry friend. Number 11. LickMatwithSuctionCup. This chewy, suction-backed lick mat is a genius solution for slow feeding, grooming time, and anxiety relief. Made from food-grade silicone, it's both dishwasher and freezer safe. Measuring about 8 inches across, it's ideal for both dogs and cats. It sticks securely to smooth surfaces like shower walls, tubs, or fridge doors, perfect for distracting your pet during bath time or nail trimming. You can rinse it off or toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher. Just a quick rinse, and you're ready for the next session. Number 10. PawSync Smart Pet Feeder. The PawSync Smart Pet Feeder got a sleek stainless steel bowl with a built-in scale that tracks exactly how much your pet is eating. You get full control, schedule up to 10 meals a day, choose portion sizes in tiny increments, and even opt between slow feeding and smart feeding modes that adjust based on leftover food. Record your own voice message that plays at mealtime. It keeps working for up to 6 days on backup batteries. It stores about 3.6 liters of kibble. The lid has a locking seal and desiccant pouch to keep food fresh. Suitable for small to medium pets, this is a super smart, reliable, and surprisingly affordable feeder. Number 9. Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Lalahome's self-cleaning multi-cat litter tray has auto-refill, odor control, and can handle up to 80 liters of litter, making it spacious enough for households with multiple cats. It features 6 built-in safety sensors and app control over 5G Wi-Fi, so you can monitor litter levels and cleaning cycles right from your phone. Setup is straightforward: plug it in, sync the app, and let it handle the scooping. It's on the larger and pricier side, so make sure you've got the space. Number 8. Mulsi-Pre Lightweight DogTravel Bottle. This portable pet water bottle features easy one-hand operation with a press and fill button. Simply press to fill the lid, release to stop, and any unused water flows back into the bottle. Its leak-proof design includes a silicone gel seal and secure lock switch to prevent spills. Available in 2 convenient sizes, small or medium, this lightweight bottle weighs around 6 ounces, comes with a wrist strap, and fits perfectly in most car cup holders. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, it is safe for pets. For durability, it is recommended to avoid dishwasher use and not to expose the bottle to temperatures above 80 degrees centigrade. Number 7. Catit Senses 2.0 Food Tree. The Catit Senses 2.0 Food Tree is an interactive slow feeder designed to stimulate your cat's natural hunting instincts while encouraging healthier eating habits. This durable, tree-shaped feeder challenges cats to paw out their food or treats, which helps slow their eating pace and reduces the risk of digestive problems. Made from safe, non-toxic materials, it ensures your cat's well-being. Number 6. Large Cat Backpack Carrier. It features an expandable back that provides extra space. The carrier includes 4 mesh windows on the sides, front, and back for optimal airflow and easy access. For safety, it has an internal leash to prevent your pet from escaping. Constructed from durable Oxford fabric with a firm bottom pad, it offers solid support. Additional features include a roller blind to shield your pet from the sun, 2 side pockets for storing supplies, and a collapsible design that folds flat for convenient storage. Number 5. Electrostatic Pet Hair Removal Gloves. These pet hair remover gloves utilize electrostatic technology to effectively attract and lift pet hair, making cleaning easier and more efficient. Unlike disposable lint rollers, they are washable and reusable, helping reduce waste and save money. Designed for multi-surface use, they work well on couches, furniture, carpets, curtains, and car seats. The gloves offer a comfortable fit for extended wear without causing hand fatigue, and they are lightweight at just 18 grams, making them easy to handle and maneuver. They are made from soft, skin-friendly materials to ensure comfort during use. The package includes 1 pair of black hair removal gloves. Number 4. AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum. The AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum features powerful suction that captures up to 99% of pet hair directly into its 2-liter dust container, significantly reducing mess and keeping your space cleaner. Designed with low-noise operation. With 3 adjustable suction levels, you can customize the power to match your pet's coat type and sensitivity. The large 2-liter dust cup minimizes the need for frequent emptying, making it ideal even for pets with thick coats. The 5-in-1 grooming kit includes a variety of tools suited for different grooming needs and coat types, offering an all-in-one solution for pet care at home. Number 3. Lucky Tail Pet Nail Grinder. The Lucky Tail Dog Nail Grinder features whisper-quiet operation, with minimal vibration, making it ideal for sensitive or anxious pets. It is USB rechargeable and cordless, taking about 1 hour to fully charge and offering up to 4 hours of use. The grinder offers 2 speed settings, a lower speed for puppies or precise trimming, and a higher speed for thicker or adult nails. Its ergonomic, lightweight design ensures a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability during grooming sessions. For added safety, it includes 2 built-in LED lights that illuminate the nail to help avoid cutting too deep, along with a protective port to reduce the risk of hitting the quick. Number 2. Pet Monitoring Camera. This pet camera features 1080 progressive HD video with a 130-degree wide-angle lens and night vision up to 10 feet, allowing you to clearly monitor your pet even in low-light conditions. Its dual-band Wi-Fi provides a stable and smooth live streaming experience. The built-in 1200 mAh battery supports cord-free operation without obstruction. Two-way audio lets you talk to your pet and hear their response, making it easier to stay connected while you're away. The app-controlled treat dispenser allows you to toss small snacks remotely, keeping your pet engaged throughout the day. Motion-activated recording is supported with a built-in 16 GB microSD card, eliminating the need for cloud subscriptions. The device also supports multi-user access, enabling the whole family to monitor and interact with your pet. For added convenience, it comes with adhesive wall hooks for simple, drill-free installation. Number 1. Pet Urine Detector. The Vansky UV flashlight features a powerful 51 LED array that delivers bright ultraviolet illumination, making it ideal for detecting dried pet urine stains, spotting scorpions, highlighting glow-in-the-dark items, and more. Its compact, lightweight design, under 200 grams, is paired with a rugged aluminum body and anti-slip grip, making it both portable and durable. This versatile tool can be used for a wide range of purposes including stain detection, currency and document authentication, bedbug identification, resin curing, and even decorating with glow effects. The high-quality LEDs are rated to last between 12 to 15 years, providing long-term reliability. Additionally, the flashlight is splash-resistant with an IPX4 rating, making it suitable for everyday household use. It's a wrap. We hope you liked the video. Which one is your favorite? Leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.